Hi everyone, welcome back to the Code Shop channel. Today we're diving into customer rewards and loyalty programs in Odoo 18. A well-designed loyalty program can increase sales and keep customers coming back. Odoo offers several options: coupons, discount codes, promotions, but in this video we'll focus on loyalty cards, how to set them up, define rules, and apply rewards. So let's get started.
Before creating and managing loyalty programs, we need to make sure that the necessary feature is activated in the system. To do this, navigate to the Sales app, Configuration, and Settings. Scroll down to the Pricing section, look for the option labeled Discounts, Loyalty, and Gift Card. If it's not activated, click the checkbox and then hit Save. Once enabled, a new Discount and Loyalty submenu will appear under the Products, along with gift cards and e-wallets. This means we are now ready to create and manage customer rewards. Let's take a look at some of the promotions we already set up. Odoo offers multiple types of reward programs, including coupons, loyalty cards, promotions, discount codes. For this tutorial, we are focusing on a loyalty card program. This allows customers to accumulate points based on their purchases, which they can later redeem for rewards, such as discounts, free products, or free shipping. Next, you can set a start and end date if the promotion is only available for a limited time, or just leave it blank for indefinite use. You can also limit the card's usage and choose where it applies: sales app, website, or point of sale. Once that's all set up, let's move on to the conditional rules and rewards. Let's start by defining how customers earn loyalty points. By clicking on the conditional rules section, we can now see the conditions that must be met for a customer's purchase to qualify. At the top left, we've got minimum quantity set to 1 and minimum purchase amount set to 0. This means that every purchase qualifies for loyalty points, no matter how much the customer spends or how many purchases they make. Keep in mind that customers need an account to earn and track their loyalty points. They can create one on your website, or a salesperson can add them as a contact in Odoo. Either way, they'll need an account to participate. Next, in the amount section, we can choose specific products, categories, or tags that count toward the minimum purchase. But in this case, we want the promotion to apply to all products, so we'll leave those fields blank. Now over in the points section, we can set how many points to grant and whether they are awarded per order, per dollar spent, or per unit purchased. In this case, we'll go with the 1 loyalty point for every dollar spent. Alright, that's all set. Let's hit save. Now let's move over to the rewards tab and take a look at this existing reward card. Here we got 3 options: give away a free product, apply a discount, and free shipping. For this one, we'll stick with the discount and bump it up to 10% on the customer's total order. Now, instead of just a percentage, we can also set the discount in dollars or even dollars per point, depending on how we want to structure the reward. If you select specific products, you can then choose exactly which items, categories, or tags this discount applies to. But to keep things simple, we'll just apply it to the total order. Next, let's set how much this reward costs for customers. I'll keep it at 100 points. Over here in the description field, we can add a message for our customers. And also we have the max discount field, which limits how much they can take off their order. I'll set it to $1,000. Everything looks good here, so let's go ahead and save. You'll notice up here there is a smart button for loyalty cards. If we click on it, we'll be directed in the separate page where we can see all the customers with the loyalty card and the number of points they've earned. Alright, let's save this and see it in action. First we'll go to Orders, then Quotations, and hit New. In the customer field, we'll select Deco Addict, who wants to make a purchase of some products. Now, whenever a customer makes a purchase, their loyalty points are automatically recorded in their profile. To check their accumulated points, we just open their profile and click the Loyalty Cards Map button. There it is. You can see all their points. Now let's go back to the sales order and apply the Coedex loyalty discount. All we have to do is click on the reward button and Odoo will automatically add the discount as a new product line. From here, we can either send the quotation to the customer or confirm it to proceed to the next stage of the sales process. Once confirmed, the reward is applied and the loyalty points are automatically deducted. And that's it. Now you know how to set up, customize, and manage loyalty cards in the Odoo 18. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to stay updated with more Odoo tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.